What is up, YouTube? I'm back here today. I'm going to be showing you guys a few things. I'm just going to be doing some reviews and new makeup looks. Wearing my new hair. Pretty excited. Nice to meet you guys. I've never met you. Killerrain Gold. Well, I'm going to be showing you guys how it's going to look. I already look so pretty. I did pretty much every step but the highlighter and a couple of the eye work things. So, hopefully you guys enjoy my look. The outside world is looking pretty nice. Pretty bright outside. I'm pretty excited, guys. So into the video. Yeah, I was pretty excited. I got my Jeffree Star pants. It took a while, but they're the rainbow ones. I was really excited about these ones. This is what I've been looking forward to the most. I haven't really been spending money or buying things for myself, but these are what I love. I just need to get the top and it'll be like a complete set. Into the video, boy. What is up? I'm back here today. I just want to show you guys what I'm going to be working with before I get ahead of myself. Today is Two-Faced Day. Two-Faced. I'm not two-faced. Try not to be. I tell the truth. Always looks so beautiful. Rainbow colored today. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be working with. I'm going to be working with the mini chocolate bar. Has all different names and stuff for it. I got this like 3-4 months ago. I'll just open it up and show you. It smells like chocolate, so when you smell it, it smells like beautiful chocolate. So take my word for it. I'm not lying. These are the colors. It's a little worn in, but at least you can see what we're going to be working with. Here's some names that they have. There's pearl candy, glazed, raspberry rose, gluten-free, baked cake, cookie dough, sugar raisin, black sugar, and glazed. I already used some of the black down here for up here, so I did get to use it before the video. Okay, my next item I'm going to be showing you guys today too is Too-Faced highlighter. I have some Jeffree Star highlighter on it, but this highlighter is really going to show up pretty nice over top of this highlighter. I did my eyes a little bit different today, and I'm going to be getting colored eyelashes, so I can't wait to try them. I don't know how great, but it'll be great. This is the highlighter. This is a Too-Faced highlighter. Very shiny and sheer and chrome. I'll try to get a better view of it. There's a view of it. Too-Faced. Oh, it comes in a beautiful box. Not too bad. It's like $30. So last 2 years. So it's not a bad investment because very beautiful and chic. Sexy. Sexy boys. Sexy girls. Oh. Well, I'm going to be getting into the video. Okay. I'm going to be starting off with two colors that I picked out. I picked these ones out. Yep, I think my camera's perfect right there. Perfect. Perfect lighting. Perfect scenery, boys. I just want to tell you news. I'm going to be getting new products, new videos coming out soon. Ideas, Jeffree is so beautiful. Like always, can't wait to get cremation or make a video on it. Have not yet. I have not yet thought about it. I have the hair and things I'm going to do for it, but not yet. Okay, I'm going to be using this pink and this pink. I'm going to put this pink onto the bottom. I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to try it up down here. Ooh. I actually never really tried these other colors into this palette. But honestly, this pink actually looks really nice. Okay, I'm just gonna get like a swipe over here. Okay, not too much fall off, that's good, not too much. And it smells very delicious. Very delicious. Okay, got the pink. I think I'm about to add a little silverish or stuff. Maybe just a little bit of silverish white. I'm gonna add it onto the corners. Just a little bit of white up in the corners. I think this is glazed donut. I'm just putting a little whiter here just in case if any of my eyeliner smears. Plus, like, it gives it more effect if you have a light right there. It doesn't get too hot in my room. It is summertime, but if you ever see me go like this or anything like along those lines, just really hot and sweaty, I can't have my air conditioner on because then you guys won't be able to hear me properly and stuff like that. But still staying sexy, still staying so fit and healthy, still getting outside and exercise. Okay, I'm gonna be moving on to the top color. This will be the last for the chocolate bar. You can say goodbye. I'm probably gonna get the big one or different models of it. Shine, shine, shine. I'm gonna put this purplish pink on top. This, let me see what color that it says it is. It's saying it's sugared raisins. I like raisins. Try and do this pretty quick and pretty nice for you guys. Pretty nice voice. I'm trying to keep it just going one way. Okay, moving on to the next eye. Next eye. I love making makeup. Makes me relaxed, but also really sweaty and nervous when I'm doing videos. But I'll get over that fact eventually of fear. Try a couple more dashes of this color, and then I think it'll be good. One more coat just to make sure and get all the fall off my palette. Oh baby, looking great. Okay, last step. Well, not the last step because I still have to do the highlighter. Then I'm gonna be covering this gloss, very beautiful gloss. But we're gonna move on to the highlighter. I'm just gonna use my finger to apply it, just because I don't know, I just didn't want to use a brush or anything, just to show you guys firsthand that you can just use your hands. It's very easy to work with too. It's very sheer and nice. I already had highlighter on, so like just making my highlighter look even nicer. Yeah, just make sure you blend it if you're gonna use your hand. Just use it like a blender. Just make sure you have your hands washed before you do something like this, because you don't want to be touching your face at all without clean hands. Okay, I put it on pretty fast, pretty even. I'm gonna put a little extra up here. Okay, let me blend this with my fingers as best as I can. It's very fucking sexy, I can tell you that. Okay, that's it for the Too Faced highlighter. You can do it with a brush, you can use your fingers, you can do so many different ways. It's just I just use my finger. I just want to get the video done, and I know you guys would be excited for me to cover toothpaste items. These are the two toothpaste items that we covered today, and Jeffree Star lip gloss, but I'm not going to include that into the video. But I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the products. I know I didn't do them 100% correctly. That is correct. But I love them. They turned out good. This is Diamond Fire, and this is the mini chocolate bar. Just letting you guys know. This will be my finishing touch with the lip gloss, the Lord Gloss Pink. Ah, just having sex with my lips. Ah, ah. And that is the finishing look, boys. Finishing look to a sexy outcome. Thank you guys for watching. I really do hope you guys do get something by this. I am queer. I do like girls, but I do like boys that look like girls. They have to be just as sexy. And very happy I got to talk to my old girl Chelsea. She's in good terms. Kelly, she's been happy and nice to me. The other girl I can't even speak about. But I love you guys. It's Killerrain Gold. Peace out. Much love. Rainbow, emo, drip, kiss, kiss. See ya. Turned out so beautiful. Yeah.